Is your printer connected but not printing? Showing offline error and stuck the printing? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to fix this step by step in this video, Windows 11. So first method, check your USB cable, restart your printer, restart your computer and make sure the Wi-Fi printer so it's connected. So then next, click to start and enter services.msc. Otherwise you just type service and right click to run as administrator. Then press P, printer spooler. Yeah, this is printer spooler. You just double click and stop and then again start and then okay, just close it. Next, clear printer cartridge. So you just click to start, type control panel, open this, selected view category and then you hardware, device and printer. Printer and scanner. So you select these printers, you have to just remove it and then I have to add it, like you can see remove. Otherwise you just remove open cartridge and select all and delete. Okay, then next method. So this method is so important for your printer. If you are installing, suppose the printer is not properly and some other versions, other model number driver installed, so printing is not working. So you have to install this model number, that's printer drivers. Okay, you have a suppose HP printer, so view model number and download and then install it. If you are using any printer, HP, Epson, Brother, any manufacturer, you have just websites to install the driver and you have to. And if you are getting this, if you're not able to install and download the driver, no worry about it. You just check the video descriptions. I will just share the Google form. You just fill out and my team will reach out to install the driver. Okay, thank you.